Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov from Full Stack Ninja. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fundamental concepts in Python, functions. If you're new to programming or just starting to learn Python, you might be wondering what a function is and why it's so important. Don't worry, we'll explain everything in a way that's easy to understand. In Python, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Functions are used to break down a program into smaller, more manageable pieces. This makes code easier to read, debug, and maintain. Let's take a look at an example. Say we want to write a program that calculates the area of a circle. We could write all the code in one big block, like this. But what if we need to calculate the area of a circle with a different radius? We would need to rewrite the code with the new radius value. This is where functions come in handy. We can create a function called calculate_area, that takes the radius as an argument and returns the area of the circle. In this example, we define a function called calculate_area, that takes a radius parameter. Inside the function, we calculate the area of the circle and return it. We can then call the function and pass in a value for the radius parameter. Functions can also have multiple parameters, return multiple values, and be called from other functions. They are an essential part of writing clean, organized, and efficient code. So that's a quick overview of functions in Python. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!